Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely from ChatGPT and AI in general. This video went unfilmed due to my stupidity, but I feel like I wasted a lot of time with my thought process and said I should review my code, kind of go around my conversations. So first of all, I forgot how to get the length of an array list. And I thought it would be the dot length method like most data types, but it turns out it's dot size. Anyways, I tried to figure out how to get something by the index, and it turns out it was just a get method, like I remembered, so I wasn't wrong. Anyways, what I currently have is that I basically had to create an array list. I had to create all the card labels, the card suits, and then basically create a pair. And for some reason, IntelliJ tells me that I need to import this, which doesn't make any sense. But anyways, I needed to do was basically take the card labels with the I and the J. So basically it'll loop 52 times, and then basically what it'll do, it'll go through every card. So let me show you this without this card, because that was me experimenting with stuffs. So this loop successfully gives me each card. And yeah, that took me like probably 10 minutes of coding. Because I still had an idea what I wanted to do, but I'm like, I don't know. Java could be pretty difficult and boilerplate driven. Anyways, I decided to create my hash maps based on my deck class. And then what I had to do is basically declare the hash map. And like, to me it's pretty confusing on how to get this done. For example, array list, you do have to say the data type there, but for hash map you don't because it's already given there. I mean, that just confuses me. Like, maybe you don't have for array list or something, but I feel like you do. I don't know. Java's weird. Remember that. So yeah, the reason why I did this hash map is I want to make sure that these can be then read in a human-friendly way. In a format, for example, you drew a 2 of, and then diamonds. Something like that. I know. What a bad card. So, this ended up being a huge pain in the butt because, so when I create this deck class, it's basically normal Java procedure. But the thing about classes is sometimes you don't really reuse the classes. For example, in this case, I'll need to create one deck. And what happens when I use a deck class, I have to create this private methods, and then I have to declare new hash maps and stuff, which definitely increases the lines of code I have to write. Yeah, which kind of sucks. The other thing I have to do is I need to create getters for my stuff, which can be quite annoying. It can create stuff that seems way longer than it needs to be, like deck.get cards. Like, shouldn't the deck just be the deck itself? But whatever, that's how Java is. But I think IntelliJ makes it pretty easy for me to create setters, so let's do this. I hate this. Hopefully it works. So this should basically get like 2 or 3 your king. Label names. Oh, duh. Okay, stupid me. So yeah, instead we're actually getting them. So then I can just concatenate this like normal. So I'll just say. So let's see if this works. So yeah, that works. You drew an ace of spades. Oh, A versus N. Yeah, that seems like extra work that I don't feel like doing today. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hope you subscribe. And like always, bye-bye.